Hi everyone, this is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. Today I'm wearing a helmet because in today's video I'll show you a few ways how to protect your face, your hair from the dust, from the bags. This is the first video from my new series of video about scarves and helmets. You can do a lot of things with it. If you are interested in this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for the idea of this video. I hope you like it. Now let's get started. The most popular way to protect your face is to use a bandana. I have a small bandana 19 by 19 inches. And now let's tie it. If I tie it like this, it will fall down very quickly. We don't need it, right? What we can do? We can make a ponytail with an elastic and tie our bandana just like this. Or if we cannot make a ponytail, we can tie our bandana on the top of the head, like this. And now our bandana is secure. We can wear it just like this or add another scarf to protect our ears and neck. We make a triangle from the second scarf, cover our head, cross it and tie behind. Et voila, our first look is ready. In the description below I will leave the links to the really cool scarves that are the best size and fabrics to wear on the helmet. For the second look, we need a scarf about 71 inches long or a little bit longer. I have this great cotton linen scarf 30 by 31 inches and it feels nice on the skin. It's a little too wide, so I fold it like this. We cover our head and leave one end much shorter than the other. We cross the end on the front, wrap our head and create a face cover at the same time. Now just secure it with a knot on the top of the head. Or we can use this kind of hair clip to keep the face cover in place. There is no sharp ends, as you can see. Some people use pins, but personally I don't like the idea. I think the hair clips is a better option. Or we can just tie the knot on the top of the head. Et voila! Our face, ear and neck are covered. And now I show you how to protect your face and head if you have just one square scarf. I'm going to use this non-expensive scarf that you can buy basically everywhere. We fold a triangle, cover the head and tie the scarf behind like a pirate, like a bandana. Now we turn the knot on the side and use one of the ends to make a face cover. And please pay attention, if we just tie the ends behind, it will slip down. So we place the second end on the top of the hat, and it will keep everything on place. Et voila! Our face, head and ears are covered. And now I show you very quickly how it looks with a silk scarf. And don't forget to check the links in the description for the best choice of scarf for biking. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see. And I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye!